In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the time zone in Todoist. Managing your time effectively starts with setting the correct time zone on your To-Do app, ensuring all your tasks and reminders align perfectly with your schedule. So, let's dive right into it. First, navigate to your Todoist homepage. This is where you likely start each day, reviewing your tasks and planning ahead. From here, we will begin our quick and simple journey to adjust your time zone settings. Head over to the top left corner of your screen where you'll find your profile picture. Click on it. This area hosts your account preferences and can be customized according to your personal needs and settings. After you've clicked on your profile, a drop-down menu will appear. Look for the Settings option and select it. This is your gateway to personalizing how Todoist works for you. Once you've clicked on Settings, you'll be directed to a new page where you'll need to search for the General tab. Go ahead and click on General. This section is key because it's here where you can adjust a variety of settings related to your account. Now, within the General settings, you should find the Time Zone section. Look for a drop-down menu next to the Time Zone label. This drop-down menu is what you'll click on next. It's designed to allow you to select your precise time zone from a list, ensuring that all your tasks, deadlines, and reminders are accurate to your local time. Once the drop-down menu is open, scroll through the list of time zones until you find the one that corresponds to your current location. This is a crucial step, as selecting the correct time zone ensures that you're notified at the right times and your tasks are logged accurately. Choose the appropriate time zone from the list, ensuring it's highlighted or checked. Finally, make sure to click on the Update button to save your changes. This last step is crucial. Otherwise, any changes you made won't take effect. After clicking Update, you can rest assured that your Todoist is now perfectly aligned with your local time, ready to help you tackle your day efficiently. Remember, keeping your time zone updated is important, especially if you frequently travel or manage international tasks. Such a small step can ensure you stay on top of your game by having all reminders and deadlines synced appropriately. And there you have it. Changing the time zone in Todoist can streamline your scheduling and optimize your productivity. Thanks for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for more tips on making the most out of your productivity tools.